So yeah, hello guys. Let's just move towards the next reason. What could be the reason for memory? Sorry. What could be the reason for errors while you are coding with C language? So we have seen up till now five mainly reasons what could cause the errors while you are programming inside the C. So here another thing would be memory leaks, forgetting free function. That means forgetting freeing up the memory. Okay. So what does this mean? See, let's just see. In C, malloc and talloc, both functions are used for dynamic memory allocation, but they differ in how they initialize the allocated memory. Okay. So we have some certain functions in C language like malloc and talloc, which are used for the dynamic memory allocation, right? So let's just understand one more concept here, memory leak, which means that occurs when program allocates memory but doesn't free it when it's no longer needed. This can lead to poor performance and eventually cause the program crash. Okay, this two or three terms I have explained out here just to understand the basic theory of this point. Okay, memory leaks. Okay, what happens to what is memory leak? If you're using out any of the function and the thing is not freed up, okay, if still the program is running, eventually what would happen? The performance of the program would be low, no doubt in that. Okay, that can cause a crash to the program, right? That refers to the memory leak. So in C, memory allocated with malloc or kellogg function is not automatically released. Okay, you need to manually make the memory free. If you don't call free, the memory stays reserved until the program ends, right? So make sure that you need to close the resource. You need to, or it won't be happening automatically. For that, you need to use out the free function, right? To deallocate the memory. Over time, this builds up and over time this builds up and causes memory leaks as discussed, especially dangerous in programs that run for a long time. So the program which runs for a long time, for that program, it's especially dangerous, right? So keep track of every allocation and ensure there is matching free. Tools like Valgrind can help to detect leaks. Okay, this is just an example. You can use out this tool as well to detect the leaks. So this is what the thing, this is what the one of the reason that could cause the error. Okay, make sure that if you are using out the malloc or kellogg function, you are going to just use the free function to release the memory to free the memory. I hope you guys liked out the content. And in case if you have any queries or questions, do let me know. I'm there for your help. So yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you.